Hello, everybody. Welcome to Sports Science Excel. This is episode 3, and in this episode, we're going to go over how to merge and unmerge cells. So I'm just going to start up in this section titled Merge and Unmerge Cells. And here, I'm going to show you the difference between these merging options, okay? So make sure you're in the Home tab and you can see the Merge and Center option. And I'm going to start by highlighting all the cells that I want to merge together. And then I'm going to select Merge and Center. You can see how it automatically centers the text when I merge it. Now if I highlight these cells down here and I select this drop down and select merge across, you'll see that it merges those cells, but it keeps the text aligned to the left. And then here, I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to select merge cells, and you'll see it just merges them, again, keeping the text aligned to the left. Now, if we need to merge cells vertically and horizontally, I'm going to go through the same steps. I'm going to highlight those boxes. I'm going to hit merge and center. Centers it horizontally but not vertically. So if I want a vertical center as well, I got to come up here, select that. Now it's centered. Now if I select that drop down and select merge across, you'll see that it merges for the rows, but it does not merge these rows together, okay? Just horizontally. That can be a very useful tool. Now let's do the same thing here where I'm just going to select merge cells, merges them all together, and then aligns the text on the bottom here, on the bottom, and on the left. Okay, so then if you want to adjust that to where it's to the left but on the top, you can do so accordingly up here. Play around with that. We'll leave it there. And then now I want to show you the benefits or the usefulness of this merge across function, okay? So let's say that we had text and we needed to merge cells in a document, maybe a database for multiple rows. Many times what I used to do is I would highlight the cells I wanted to merge and I would hold Control and highlight the next row, hold Control, highlight the next row, then I come up here and I'd hit merge and center, right? So you can see how that's a process. And then, or what you could do is merge and then grab this bottom right corner when it makes that black cross and then drag that down and that'll adjust it. That just becomes tricky when your cells contain text. For example, if you had to do that with this cell, pull it down, then you have to go back and delete it all, okay? So you can see there's just a few extra tedious steps when performing it that way. And now if I want to use that merge across function, let's say I'm doing this for 100 rows, all I got to do is highlight all the rows, come here, hit merge across, boom. Now you can see how that's formatted the exact same in a much, I guess, easier fashion. So I hope that you're able to learn something helpful, useful with these merge functions. And now to unmerge, all you got to do, select, there you go. Just highlight the cells, come here, and select that merge and center. That's going to unmerge your highlighted cells, okay? Pretty simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next video where we're going to talk about more about the text and wrapping a text and shrinking it to fit and the benefits of those functions. Thanks for tuning in.